Are you trying to find a high-quality, reasonably priced color printer for 2024? We are presenting to you the finest color printer under $250. The single objective behind the design of these color printers was to satisfy all of your printing requirements while remaining economical. A time when print quality is paramount calls for the search for an affordable, high-performing printer to become imperative. With their lightning-fast print rates, an abundance of networking choices, and affordable features rivaling their more expensive competitors, these color printers will undoubtedly wow you. We have listed the 5 best color printers under $250 in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each color printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is Brother HLL 3000 230 CDI digital color printer. In the fast-paced world of 2024, having a printer that meets your needs is essential, and the Brother HLL 3000 230 CDI digital color printer fits the bill perfectly, all for under $250. With its impressive printing speed of up to 25 pages per minute, you can have your printouts ready quickly. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to efficiency with this top-notch printer. With its ability to produce professional-grade prints that showcase vivid and vibrant colors, this printer ensures you never have to sacrifice quality to meet tight deadlines. With a 250-sheet paper tray, you can minimize the need for refills, allowing you to focus on capturing moments instead of constantly returning to the printer. The Brother HLL 3000 230 CDI offers a wide range of connectivity options, allowing you to print from anywhere effortlessly. With features like wireless printing from mobile devices, built-in wireless, Ethernet, Wi-Fi Direct, and USB interfaces, printing becomes a breeze. Furthermore, when using Brother Genuine Toner cartridges, TN223BK, TN223C, TN223M, TN223Y, TN227BK, TN227C, TN227M, and TN227Y, you can be confident that your photos will always look exceptional, maintaining their outstanding quality. And if you like this color printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Epson PictureMate PM400 Color Photo Printer. The Epson PictureMate PM400 Color Photo Printer is the ultimate choice for individuals seeking a top-notch photo printing experience under $250 in 2024. This remarkable compact device revolutionizes the production of stunning borderless 4x6 and 5x7 photos. It is a testament to innovation, seamlessly blending a minimalist design with state-of-the-art technology, delivering unrivaled quality and convenience. With its impressive speed, the PM400 can produce a borderless 4x6 photo in just 36 seconds, ensuring you never miss a precious moment. Never miss a precious moment with this remarkable printer. With its wireless functionality, printing from your iPad, iPhone, tablet, or smartphone is a breeze. No cords, no hassle, just seamless connectivity. The Epson PictureMate PM400 is specifically designed to handle large projects and produce multiple copies of your favorite photos without the hassle of frequent paper reloading. With its 50-sheet capacity, you can print with ease. Its exceptional quality results from meticulous attention to detail and vibrant color reproduction, especially when using premium glossy paper. It effortlessly fits into any workspace with its compact dimensions of 9.8 x 15.1 x 7.9 inches, and its lightweight and portable design allows you to print on the go. If you're interested in this compact color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the HP SmartTank 5101 all-in-one printer. In today's fast-paced world, finding an affordable and reliable color printer under $250 can make a world of difference for both personal and professional needs. Introducing the HP SmartTank 5101 all-in-one printer, the top recommendation for 2024. This printer is packed with value, providing up to 2 years' worth of original HP ink, allowing you to print up to 6,000 black or color pages straight out of the box. The HP SmartTank 5101 is a versatile printer with borderless, mobile, and wireless capabilities, allowing you to print virtually anywhere. Whether you're working on a crucial business proposal, a school project, or creating stunning photo prints, this printer is equipped to handle it all. With a print speed of up to 12 pages per minute for black and 5 pages per minute for color, you can say goodbye to waiting for your documents to finish. With its compact design, measuring a mere 14.23 x 17.11 x 6.19 inches and weighing just 11.09 pounds, this printer won't overpower your workspace. Moreover, it boasts a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 100 and can accommodate sizes ranging from 4x6 to 8x10 inches, making it exceptionally versatile for various printing tasks. If you're interested in this color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Brother MFC J5000 340 DW Color All-in-One Printer. The Brother MFC J5000 340 DW Color All-in-One Printer is an exceptional choice for the best color printer in 2024, especially for those on a budget of under $250. With the ability to print documents and images on paper sizes up to 11x17. Ledger, this printer offers versatility and reliability. Whether you're aiming to create captivating posters, design intricate brochures, or print standard documents, the Brother MFC J5000 340 DO has got you covered. Say goodbye to constant refills with its 250-sheet capacity paper tray and enjoy a more convenient printing experience overall. With dimensions of 15.7 x 20.9 x 12 inches, the Brother MFC J5000 340 DO is a compact and space-efficient addition to any workspace. It is designed to fit seamlessly on a desk or shelf, and this printer offers the utmost convenience with its 50-page automatic document feeder. Its versatile functionality supports printing, copying, scanning, and faxing documents up to 8.5 x 11 letter size. This printer offers seamless printing and scanning capabilities across all devices, with a wide range of connectivity options. With its built-in dual-band wireless technology, you can enjoy a reliable, high-speed connection on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Whether you prefer Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, or local USB connections, this printer provides the flexibility you need. The Brother Mobile Connect app allows for convenient remote printing and scanning, perfect for those who are always on the move. If you're interested in this color inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the HP SmartTank 6000 and 1 wireless free ink printer. The HP SmartTank 6000 and 1 wireless ink printer is a remarkable all-in-one printer under $250 that sets the standard for the best color printer in 2024. This versatile powerhouse seamlessly combines essential functions, making it the go-to choice for those seeking efficiency and top-notch quality. With its convenient design, you can easily print, copy, scan, and enjoy automatic two-sided printing. It offers the bonus of borderless prints and supports mobile and wireless printing, catering to all your creative and practical needs. When it comes to savings, this printer is fully equipped. With your purchase, you'll receive up to 2 years' worth of original HP ink bottles, providing you with the convenience of up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. Not only that, but the HP SmartTank 6000 and 1 is designed to be compact and lightweight, seamlessly fitting into your setup. With dimensions of 16.83 x 7.82 x 14.33 inches and weighing just 14.07 pounds, this printer is incredibly easy to accommodate, and let's remember the exceptional quality that HP is known for. With this printer, you can expect stunning color graphics, breathtaking photos, and sharp, crisp text for all your printing needs. Whether you're capturing precious family memories, completing school projects, or handling important documents, this printer delivers exceptional results that are truly unrivaled. If you're interested in this all-in-one printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best color printers under $250 in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these printers. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.